This video is going to go over some word problems related to percent increase and percent decrease. A lot of this is going to have to do with population or price and some other real-world examples that you did encounter using percentages. The first 5 are going to be relatively easy to solve. You can do them in your head or on paper. And then the last 5, I'm going to kind of systematize a method so that you can use a calculator for them. But let's get right into it. It says number 1, a jacket costs $40 and is on sale for 25% off. What is the sale price? Well, 25% off, what does that mean? It actually means we're going to take 75% of the original, right? If it's 25% off, it's 75% left. You can think about this a couple of ways. The first way is 3/4 of 40 is just 30. And that's your answer. Another way that you can think about this is 25% of 40 is equal to 10. And if we're going to take that off, it's going to be 40 minus 10 also gives us 30. You can think about it both ways. Number 2, this is a video game that cost $60, increases in price by 10%. What is the new price? So we started at 60, we went up by 10%, what's the new price? Here's how I'm going to think about it. 10% of 60 is 6. And if it increases by that amount, we're going to go ahead and do 60 plus 6 is 66, which is our new price. Number 3, a class had 20 students last year. This year, enrollment increased by 50%. How many students are in the class now? Check this out. We started with 20, went up by 50%. So what that means is half of 20, which is 10, got added to the class. So now we have a class size of 30 students. Number 4. An $80 pair of shoes is discounted. That means decreased by 50%. What is the final price? This is basically just asking what is 50% of 80, or what is half of 80? That is 40. The new price of this pair of shoes is $40. Number 5 says a phone battery lasts 8 hours, but after an update it lasts 25% longer. How many hours does the battery now last? Similar to one we've done before, 25% of 8 is 2. 1/4 of 8 is 2. But if it lasts that much longer, this is going to be 8 plus 2 is 10 hours, is how long the battery lasts now. All right, getting into a little bit of the more calculator necessary ones. It says a laptop originally costs $1,249.99 and it's discounted, means it goes down by 18%. What is the new price? This is where knowing how to switch between percentages and decimals really is helpful. I'm going to suggest that we write this instead as 0.18. 18% is the same thing as 0.18 in decimal form. Now, this is being discounted. It's going to go down 18%. So the way that we want to think about this is we're going to take the original price, $1,249.99, and we're going to multiply this by that decrease in price. It's going to be 1 minus 0.18. Right? If it stayed the same price, we'd multiply by 1, because 1 times anything is itself. But because it's discounted or it's decreased, we're going to subtract off in decimal form this 0.18. So solving, 1 minus 0.18 is equal to 1249.99 times 0.82. And if we put this into a calculator, that's going to give us our answer, 1,249.99, 1249.99 times 0.82 gives us our answer of 1024.99. 1024.99. That is the new price. So check this out. When we discounted, we subtracted. Now we're going to increase. So your guess might be on top of things. We're going to utilize plus now. Okay, so it's going to be 3,750 times 1 plus 0.064. 0.064 is 6.4% written in decimal form. This is going to be 3,750 times 1.064. Let's plug this in and see what we get. 3,750 times 1.064 equals 3,990. 3,990. That is the new population. Number 8 says a car valued at $22,800 depreciates. That means it goes down by 13.5% in 1 year. What is its value after the decrease? We're going to start with 22,800, multiply it by 1 minus 0.135, and we're going to put this into a calculator and see what we get. It's going to be 1 minus 0.135. That gets us 0.865. We're going to multiply it by 22,800. And we get 19,722. That is the new value of the car. Number 9 says a restaurant raises menu prices by 7.25%. If a meal used to cost $14.60, what's the new price? We got 14.60 times 1 plus 0.0725, just in decimal form. What is this going to be? We got 1460 times 1.0725, and that gets us our answer of 1566. It's a rounded up answer, equals 15.66. That's the cost of the new meal. Last one now. We got a company's revenue was $86,500 last year, and it decreased by 9.8% this year. What is the new revenue? We're going to start with $86,500, multiply it by 1 minus 0.098 to get us our answer. 1 minus 0.098, 1 minus 0.098 equals 0.902, and then times 86,500 times 86,500 gets us an answer of 78,023. 78,023 is the new revenue for this year. So those were some word problems about percent increase and percent decrease. Hope it was helpful.